Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be about this Lustrous Pink Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. I am going to be trying this gel out. I've used this on my daughter's hair before and it did pretty good. So I'm going to try it today for a wash and go. Yeah, I know that's my signature style, so I'm going to do that today. So if you want to see how this performs, my thoughts, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
Alright, so I've already washed, conditioned, deep conditioned in the shower. I went ahead and applied my leave-in, and today I use this TGIN Green Tea Super Moist leave-in conditioner as my leave-in, and then I sealed it in with this Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Essential 7 oil treatment on top of it, and then I put a shower cap over my hair so I can come here and film. Y'all, I got a new mirror and I don't know if I like it or not because you can see my ring light and my camera here, so if I stay here I'm good, but you know, I don't stay in one spot, I move, so I don't know how I feel about that. That may be down by next video, it may stay up, who knows, I don't know. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is a Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel with olive oil, argan oil, and panthenol styling. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off and apply the gel like I've been doing for a while now. It does better whenever, to me, I was just like applying all the gel just in one whole section in the shower, and it came out pretty good. However, I get much more definition when I take my time and section my hair and part it right. My hair is still soaking wet, which is what I like to style my hair on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this small section and apply the gel. All right, here's the consistency of the gel. It looks pretty, it reminds me a lot of the Eco. Again, I keep referring this back to Eco because I really like Eco gel on my hair. And it's super thick like Eco, and it feels good. And okay, girls, come through for mama. Yes, this is good. Alright guys, so I have it applied all over my hair. See, that ring light's gonna bother me. I'm gonna move past it. This performed very well so far in my hair. I like the way it weighed my curls down and made my curls super defined. I was heavy-handed with it, so I used about that much of the product is what I have left in it. Zoe, no. I have my little Maltese in here and she's up here. Got Christmas decorations inside here. She's trying to get inside all of that. No, Zoe. Okay, yeah, Zoe. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit under a hooded dryer, let my hair dry overnight, come back, stretch it, show all that good stuff. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so here's the finished look of my wash and go. Of course, my hair always looks good, usually on first day, but I don't know why, but lately my hair has been coming out the same. However, this one is a little bit different, and I'll tell you guys why. But here's the finished look. I want you guys to be able to see it, see how full it is and how, you know, volumized it is. Full and volumized is the same thing, but I want you guys to see exactly what it looked like. So let's get into this gel. So this gel claims to have hold and shine, and it's a perfecting gel with olive oil, argan oil, and panthenol. I don't even know what that is, but it's alcohol free, and I use a lot. I told you guys yesterday I was very heavy-handed with it. However, I did not, and I don't get a lot of hold out of it. My hair is very soft, very soft. I did break the gel class with this Kenra oil. So yesterday I sent it in a hooded dryer and I let it dry under there, and then I just put this satin bonnet on my head and went to bed. So this morning you guys saw it kind of just all like matted to my head, and I had a gel cast. Once I put that on it, it just literally broke, and my hair is super duper soft. However, and it looks really good. I like it. However, I don't think I'll get more than 2 days out of this. I'm sure by Wednesday I'll be washing my hair, which is when I normally wash my hair on Sundays, and Wednesdays is when is my new regimen since I got my color. So it's a good gel for a couple days. Like if I had an event to go to today, I would like wash my hair yesterday and do it, and I would have beautiful full first day hair. Perfect. Again, I don't see it having, you know, much lasting power. So, but the curl definition it's there. Like you guys can see the definition. Let me give you guys a close-up of it. I mean, if y'all could like feel my hair, y'all would be like, oh my God, it feels so good. It's just, I like it. No hold, no shine. I think both of those are just not what they claim to be. This Kenra oil is I talk about this in every video. Like, I love this stuff a lot. It gave my hair shine. So now I'm pleased with it. However, on its own, no. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video.